Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious jackfruit stew. Okay, so first I have my pan that's already heated with some butter. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a little soy sauce over the jackfruit. Okay, to give it some color. So my hands are already clean, so what I'm going to do is just start to make. Okay. Right, so this is the jackfruit. I'm going to place it right here in this heated pan until it is brown. Okay. So I'm just going to allow this to brown. And it's very delicious, and I know a lot of vegetarian. This is something that they would love. Okay, so this you can try for your family at home. So we're going to allow it to get very brown. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have some ketchup on here. You don't have to put salt because the soy sauce already has salt, so you don't have to. So then what I do, I just add my seasoning. This is sweet pepper, tomato, scallion, garlic, onion, what we're going to do, we're going to put a little all-purpose seasoning as well. A little black pepper. It's optional, so you can add it. Just going to allow this to brown some more. And then I'm going to add a little water. Then I'm going to cover so it can steam for a few minutes, okay? So I already have one that I've prepared. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, so this is our delicious brown stew jackfruit. Okay, so I'm gonna have a taste. This is delicious. You can have it with rice. I can use it for sandwich or whatever you choose to have it with. It is very delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen. Live, love, laugh.